Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to share one of the most powerful features of the new ChatGPT, creating your very own GPTs. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just curious about the latest in AI, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from start to finish. Let's get started. So, what exactly are GPTs? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and within ChatGPT, these GPTs function as specialized AI assistants. They're designed to perform specific tasks tailored to your needs, whether that's generating creative content, managing community interactions, or even conducting research. Think of them as mini programs within ChatGPT that streamline your workflow and make your projects more efficient by providing accurate, focused responses. Let's jump into step 1, accessing GPTs in ChatGPT. Start by opening your web browser and going to chat.openai.com. Log in using your OpenAI account. If you're new to this, simply click Sign Up to create a free account. Once logged in, look for the My GPTs button and click on it. This will take you into the GPT library where you can click on Create a GPT to begin your journey of building a custom AI. Now that you're in the creation interface, it's time to interact with your GPT. To achieve the best results, provide the GPT with clear, specific, and detailed instructions. For instance, you might say, I would like to make a new GPT that helps people with cooking recipes and making delicious desserts. Then give your GPT a catchy name that reflects its purpose. Next, a profile picture to give your GPT a friendly identity. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, the manual method offers complete control over your GPT settings. Start by uploading your own profile picture or generate one using DALL-E for a unique twist. Then enter a name and a clear, concise description that outlines your GPT's purpose. Provide comprehensive instructions on how your GPT should behave in various scenarios, and add conversation starters to guide users right from the start. You can even upload reference files or documents to serve as a knowledge base, ensuring that your GPT is well-informed and capable of handling specialized topics. Next, it's time to boost your GPT's functionality by enabling additional capabilities. Decide if you want your GPT to have web browsing enabled so it can pull in real-time information. You might also allow DALL-E for generating images on the fly, which is perfect for visual content needs. If your projects involve coding or data analysis, consider turning on the code interpreter. Furthermore, connect your GPT to external services and APIs to extend its reach and versatility. Lastly, review and adjust your data sharing settings with OpenAI to align with your privacy preferences. These extra capabilities can make your GPT a truly powerful tool. Be sure to specify the tasks it should assist with and mention any topics it should avoid. Finally, test your GPT. For example, you could provide clear instructions like, I want you to be fun, professional, energetic, and helpful. Use simple, easy-to-understand language and stay dedicated to helping people with cooking recipes and making delicious desserts. If the conversation drifts off topic, gently steer it back to baking. Always ask for clarification before responding to ensure accuracy, and share useful tips, creative ideas, and expert tricks to make every dessert a success. Before you share your creation with the world, it's essential to test your GPT thoroughly. Use the preview window to see how it responds in real time and interact with it just as your users would. Take note of any areas that need refinement. This is your chance to tweak the instructions and settings until everything runs smoothly. This level of detail ensures your GPT functions exactly as you envision. Once you're completely satisfied with its performance, decide how you'd like to publish it, whether keeping it private, sharing it via a direct link, or listing it on the GPT store for others to benefit from your innovative creation. And that's a wrap, a complete guide to creating your own custom GPT. If you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name for more tutorials, and leave a comment below sharing your questions or experiences with GPTs. Thanks for watching and happy GPT building.